In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reputation widgets in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want the widget to be created. This is important because reputation widgets are tied to the specific business profile you're working in, so taking a second to confirm that now can save you time later. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Gohighlevel keeps the main navigation menu, and most of the tools you'll need are organized there. If your menu is collapsed, just expand it so you can clearly see all of your options. From that left side menu, click on Reputation. This section is where you manage review-related tools, including how reviews are collected, displayed, and shared. If you're setting up a widget, this is the area you'll want to use because it gives you access to the display options designed for showcasing your reputation online. After you open the Reputation section, move to the top menu and click on Widgets. This will take you to the part of the platform specifically dedicated to creating and managing reputation widgets. If you've already created widgets before, you may see them listed here. If not, you'll be starting with a clean slate. Next, look to the right-hand side of the screen and click on Create. This opens the setup process for a new widget. At this stage, Gohighlevel will ask you to choose the widget type. Take your time here and select the option that best matches how you want your reviews or reputation content to appear. The widget type you choose will affect the layout and presentation, so it's worth making sure it fits your intended use. Once you've selected the widget type, review your choice before moving on. Even though this is a quick process, it's always a good habit to double-check settings before saving, especially if you plan to place the widget on a live website or landing page. Finally, click Save. This will create your reputation widget and store it in the widgets area so you can use it later. After saving, you can typically return to this section anytime to manage or reference the widget as needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a reputation widget in Gohighlevel. If you're following along inside your own account, just make sure each selection matches the business and display style you want before you save.